Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore 10 facts so curious they seem straight out of a science fiction story. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible world around us, where even the most common things can reveal fascinating secrets. From mountains that grow to trees with more numbers than people, and even koala fingerprints that look like ours. Stay with us and discover these mysteries that will make you see the world in a completely new way. Let's go! Imagine a place where the landscape looks like it's straight out of a science fiction story, with trees resembling giant umbrellas and plants that seem to have originated from a distant planet. This place exists, and it's called Socotra Island. Located in the Indian Ocean, about 350 kilometers south of the Arabian Peninsula, Socotra is part of the Yemeni archipelago and boasts such unique biodiversity that it has been called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. Socotra's flora and fauna have evolved in near-total isolation, resulting in an abundance of species found nowhere else in the world. About one-third of the island's 825 plant species are endemic, meaning they exist only there. One of the most iconic is the dragon's blood tree, with its umbrella-like shape and red sap that resembles blood, traditionally used as a medicine and dye. Visiting Socotra is like entering a parallel universe, where every corner reveals a new natural wonder. Despite its remote location, the island attracts scientists and nature enthusiasts from around the world, eager to explore its beauty and uncover the mysteries of its unique biodiversity. Socotra Island is a powerful reminder of how diverse and astonishing life on Earth can be, challenging our imagination and expanding our horizons on what is possible in the natural world. Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, continues to challenge and fascinate climbers from all over. Located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and China, Everest reaches an impressive height of 8,848 meters. However, what many don't know is that this majestic mountain is constantly growing. Due to tectonic movements, Everest grows about 4 millimeters each year, the result of the slow and continuous collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This geological process began around 50 million years ago when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate, pushing the Earth upwards and forming the Himalayan mountain range. This relentless plate movement not only created Everest but continues to shape its height to this day. In addition to its annual growth, Everest also experiences seasonal height variations due to the accumulation and melting of snow and ice at its peak. The constant rise of Everest is a reminder of nature's relentless and dynamic force. Every millimeter added to its height is a testament to the incredible geological activity occurring beneath our feet. For climbers, this means that each ascent is a slightly different achievement from the previous one, adding a new dimension to the already challenging task of reaching the top of the world. Everest's growth symbolizes the perpetuity of change and the grandeur of the natural processes that shape our planet. In the vast and enigmatic universe, stars twinkle like jewels scattered across the cosmos. It's hard to grasp the enormity of space and the number of stars it contains. However, astronomical studies estimate that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts of Earth. With about 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the total number of stars is immeasurable, far exceeding any earthly count. This astonishing fact leads us to reflect on the colossal scale of the universe compared to our own planet. Galaxies vary in size and shape, from majestic spirals to compact ellipticals, each home to a vast number of stars. These stars, in turn, can range from small red dwarfs to massive blue giants, many of which have their own planetary systems, potentially hosting forms of life still unknown to us. The vastness and abundance of the universe highlight our humble position in the grand scheme of things. As we gaze at the stars in the night sky, we are looking at only a tiny fraction of the cosmos. Each point of light is a window to a star, and possibly to a solar system. This realization inspires us to continue exploring and unraveling the mysteries of the universe, always aware that, despite our smallness, we are part of something infinitely grand and complex. Bees, small flying creatures that play a crucial role in pollination, possess surprising cognitive abilities. Among these abilities is their capacity to recognize human faces. Using a process similar to what humans use to distinguish faces, bees are able to remember and identify specific features, an impressive skill for an insect with a brain the size of a sesame seed. This ability was discovered through studies in which researchers trained bees to associate certain human faces with rewards. The bees were able to quickly learn which faces were linked to the rewards and, more remarkably, remember these faces even after a long period. This facial recognition is possible due to the way bees' brains process visual images, using patterns and shapes to identify individuals, a technique also employed by humans. The ability of bees to recognize human faces not only demonstrates their intelligence, but also highlights the complexity of social and communication behaviors in the insect world. This skill may be crucial for interacting with colony members and navigating their environments. Bees continue to surprise us with their capabilities, challenging our understanding of what is possible in nature and reminding us that intelligence can manifest in diverse and unexpected ways. New York City, known for its towering skyscrapers and frenetic pace, hides a surprising fact. There are more trees than people within its urban limits. With a population of about 8.5 million residents, New York City is home to approximately 5.2 million trees spread across its parks, streets, and green spaces. This vast arboreal heritage plays a crucial role in urban quality of life, offering invaluable environmental and social benefits. The trees in New York City help combat pollution by improving air quality through absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also contribute to reducing urban heat islands by providing shade and helping to regulate the city's temperature. Additionally, the trees offer a vital habitat for urban wildlife, creating small ecosystems that support birds, insects, and other animals. The impact of trees extends beyond environmental benefits. They also have a positive effect on the mental and physical health of residents. Studies show that the presence of trees and green spaces is associated with reduced stress, improved mood, and increased physical activity. In such a dense and bustling city as New York, the trees provide a tranquil refuge, allowing residents to connect with nature and enjoy moments of peace amid the urban chaos. Dolphins, known for their intelligence and sophisticated social behavior, possess a fascinating ability. They can recognize human faces. Studies have revealed that these cetaceans use an advanced form of facial recognition to identify and remember the people they interact with. This skill is comparable to how humans distinguish faces, using patterns and facial features to identify individuals. Dolphins are capable of recognizing faces through a process of associative learning. In captivity experiments, dolphins were trained to associate certain human faces with specific rewards. They demonstrated the ability to remember and recognize these faces even after a long period without contact. This type of recognition is facilitated by the complex structure of dolphin brains, which are highly developed for processing visual and social information. This ability not only highlights the complexity of dolphin intelligence, but also reflects the depth of interactions they maintain with humans and their own species. Facial recognition is a crucial tool for communication and building social relationships within dolphin groups, as well as for their interactions with the surrounding environment. Dolphins' ability to recognize and remember human faces reinforces the image of these animals as intelligent and perceptive beings, with a rich and intricate social life. Peering beneath the Antarctic ice reveals a hidden secret beneath thick layers, Lake Vostok. This subglacial lake, located nearly 4 kilometers beneath the ice surface, is one of the largest and deepest lakes in the world, covering an area of about 15,000 square kilometers. Isolated for millions of years, Lake Vostok is separated from the atmosphere and normal ecological cycles, creating a unique and virtually untouched environment. The extreme pressure and isolation of the lake keep its waters in a liquid state despite the freezing temperatures surrounding it. Studies suggest that Lake Vostok may have hosted primitive forms of life that evolved in complete solitude, offering a window into how life can survive under extreme conditions. Exploration and research of the lake could reveal new insights into the biology and adaptation of organisms in subterranean and extreme environments. The discovery and study of Lake Vostok not only enhance our understanding of life in inhospitable conditions, but also provide valuable insights into potential extraterrestrial habitats. The lake's isolated environment and unique ecosystems may offer clues about how life could exist on other planets or moons with similar conditions. Ongoing research in Lake Vostok is a fascinating quest for life and the secrets that may be hidden beneath layers of ice and time. Octopuses are notoriously enigmatic and fascinating creatures, and one of their most impressive features is the presence of 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are responsible for pumping blood through the gills, where oxygen is absorbed, while the 3rd heart sends the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This adaptation is crucial for sustaining the active metabolism and extraordinary abilities of octopuses. Octopus blood differs from that of vertebrates. It contains a protein called hemocyanin, which is more efficient at transporting oxygen in environments with low oxygen levels, such as those found on the ocean floor. The three hearts work together to ensure that oxygen is effectively distributed throughout the octopus's body, allowing it to perform vital functions and maintain its incredible agility and intelligence. In addition to their multiple hearts, octopuses are known for their camouflage abilities, problem-solving skills, and ingenious escape tactics. The complexity of the octopus circulatory system reflects its unique evolution and adaptation to a challenging underwater environment. These aspects make octopuses fascinating and unparalleled creatures, whose biological skills continue to intrigue scientists and capture public curiosity. Although we often think of deserts as vast expanses of sand and scorching heat, the largest desert in the world is actually Antarctica. Covered by a massive ice sheet and located in the southern hemisphere, Antarctica is classified as a desert due to its extreme dryness. The annual precipitation in the region is extremely low, ranging from just 20 to 50 millimeters in some coastal areas, and is virtually non-existent in the interior. Despite the low temperatures and vast glaciers, Antarctica fits the definition of a desert because the amount of moisture is insufficient to sustain a more diverse ecosystem. The environment is dominated by ice and snow, creating an inhospitable and desolate landscape, yet also surprisingly beautiful in its vast solitude. The lack of precipitation and the intense cold are the factors that contribute to Antarctica being classified as the largest desert on the planet. This fact highlights the diversity of desert ecosystems and challenges the common view of a desert as a hot and sandy place. Antarctica, with its expanse of ice and extreme conditions, is a reminder that deserts can take on varied forms and extreme environments, revealing the complexity and resilience of life in adverse conditions. Koalas are known for their adorable appearance and lazy behavior, but there's a lesser-known characteristic that makes them even more fascinating. Their fingerprints are remarkably similar to those of humans. Koala fingerprints are so similar to ours that they can be difficult to distinguish even for forensic experts. Each pattern is unique, with intricate details that resemble human fingerprints. These similarities are the result of an evolutionary process that led to parallel developments in different species. Although koala fingerprints do not serve the same purpose as they do in humans, such as identifying individuals, they are a useful adaptation for their arboreal life. The fingerprints help koalas grip branches firmly and move with agility in the trees, providing additional traction that is crucial for their survival. The remarkable similarity between koala fingerprints and human fingerprints serves as a notable example of evolutionary convergence, where different species develop similar traits in response to similar environmental challenges. This curious detail not only highlights the complexity and beauty of the natural world, but also reminds us of the many surprising ways evolution can unfold. Hey, did you enjoy the amazing facts we shared today? The world is full of incredible curiosities that make us question everything we know. If you enjoyed this dive into the wonders of nature and the universe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. Your subscription is super important to us and helps bring more interesting content to you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.